Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to DIY Art Blast. So today I'm gonna make some stickers using this Koala. I don't know if I'm saying it right or not, but they sent me this wonderful holographic sticker paper which I'm gonna try today and show you how this works. So let's open this. Now if you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and also if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button, and I'm also gonna put the link down below of the products that I'm using today. Alright, so now this first paper that I'm showing you is my favorite one. Do you see how glossy it is? And look at the design there. It's so shiny. Even after I print something on it, it stays the same. So I'll show you when I print that. So I never used this kind of sticker paper before. How cool it is. Okay, so now this next one is also holographic but slightly different. I'm not sure how this really looks, so let's open this. Okay, so yeah, I mean, it's good. I like this one too, but I'm not sure how the ink gonna, like, you know how the ink's gonna work on this kind of paper. So it's gonna be my first time to try something like this and see how this works. So let's see and let's read all the instructions before we print, and let's start. And again, I'm just gonna put the link down below of this product if you are interested. Alright, so here is the printer that I'm gonna use. I have Epson ET3760, and I have this paper right here. I'm just gonna put it flip side down like that, the shiny part down, and then let me show you the setting I'm gonna use for this type of paper here. Now I already have this design. I know you already saw this design on my other videos, but today I'm gonna make sticker of these flowers. Now I already transfer my design to Cricut and create the seed. Now this is how I print. I always click on use system dialog and I go to my settings. So I choose the quality to high, and the paper type is premium photo paper glossy type, and then I print. Okay, so now if I choose the high quality, it's always take a little time to print because it's gonna print nicely, that's why. Okay, so I really wanted to make the sticker just a black and white, and I didn't really wanted to use a lot of colors because it's already a nice paper and you don't need a lot of color. So I think that was a good idea because I don't want to hide my sticker paper. I mean, look at the stars, it looks so pretty. And oh my goodness, okay, so look at this is so pretty. What do you think? Let me know in the comment. I'd love to know. Okay, I have a lot of other ideas which I'm gonna print on this, but let's try another one which is this type, and let's load and print. Now I'm not gonna laminate this paper after I print, but if you want to make it waterproof, you can also laminate your sticker paper. I mean, it looks so nice. This one also. So which one do you like the most? I mean, I like the both, but I like the star one more, I guess, because of the the unique design there, but I like the other one too. Okay, so let's start cutting this. So I have this Cricut mat I'm gonna use. Now this part I'm showing you is, I really want to show you that everything you work with is not gonna turn out the way you want, but you can always work around and make something great. Okay, so here I stick it to my mat and I started cutting this. Now I was having a little trouble with my Cricut Maker today, and it just didn't wanted to collaborate with the design. So because the paper is glossy, and every time I use the glossy paper, I have trouble with my Cricut Maker. So I think it's not the paper, it's just my Cricut Maker, I guess. So what I did is I started cutting this with my scissor, and I think that's a good thing, I guess, right? Because I guess I'm not gonna waste the paper and use the all sides, if that makes sense. I don't know, but let's cut this and I'll show you what happened. Okay, so here's the first one done, and what do you think about this one? Because I really like this. I think it's good. I think that my Cricut didn't work because it only cut the edges. Let me show you. So something like this. I mean, I think it's good that I just go with the scissor, I guess, for this type of design. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna cut my next one now. Okay, so yeah, here I'm all done with both of these. Now what do you think? Which one you like the most? I mean, I love the both of them. I guess I like the more star one, but yeah, let me know what you think. And I'm gonna try these stickers on some area, maybe my laptop, I guess. So I'll show you how that's gonna look and how that's gonna work. Now again, if you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel and like this video if you enjoy watching this fun video. And here is the one that I cut with my Cricut. As you can see, it cut really nicely. It goes all the way through, but my Cricut didn't read the mark on it, so that's why I didn't cut perfectly. It's a little off, but that's okay. Okay, so now let's try this on my laptop. You can see I have some other sticker on my laptop. Now let's try this one. Maybe I'm gonna put the star one on top and this one on the bottom. I know it's the same design, but yeah, that's okay, because I like to keep changing some stickers, you know, every maybe other month, I guess. So look at the back too. I mean, it's also the same. Alright, so yeah, here I'm all done. Now look at this, look at the color. I mean, it's like a rainbow color. I love this. And yeah, let me know what you think about this, and thank you so much for watching my whole video. And if you have any question, just leave the comment down below and I'll get back to you. And also subscribe to my channel if you like this video, and if you are new to my channel. So thank you so much, and I will see you next time whenever I make something new, or maybe a painting. And yeah, take care. Bye.